We're going to make some delicious Almendrados to have with some coffee we're going to make on the AEG Coffee Centre. First things first, we need a lemon. We have ground almonds, golden caster sugar, 1 beaten egg, and then the zest of a lemon, and then we'll just bring that together into a soft dough. And then I'll flip it over. This will take a minute or two now to bring this together. Bring that into a nice soft dough. There we go. We now need a bit more golden caster sugar. These drawers are so useful. A bit of the caster sugar goes into here, and then all we do, roll a little Almendrados ball, roll it into the golden caster sugar, a whole blanched almond, and we'll just make the rest. There we go. Preheat the oven. So turn it on and set it to true fan at 160 degrees and press start. The oven's at temperature, so we'll pop the Almendrados in. We'll set a duration timer for 12 minutes so that the oven will turn itself off when they're done. Time for coffee. Turn the coffee centre on. Now we need the beans, and they're in here. Love those drawers. While it's heating up, we can pull the coffee centre out. This is where the coffee beans go. There are shelves both sides for your cups. First coffee we're going to make will be a flat white. Click onto milk coffees, click along to the flat white, and here is the milk container, which you can keep in the fridge. That just goes into there. A large flat white, normal strength, and then what we're going to do is come down to options, and we're actually going to set this flat white as a favourite. Select that on number 1. We can make the drink. It says turn the milk froth adjustment to minimum froth, which is there, and it will do the rest. So there we go, perfect flat white. Now it asks you if you want to clean the nozzle, so I'm going to say yes, and it asks you to put this to the clean function. Press yes, and that will clean the pipe. All done. Next, let's make an Americano. So put your cup in. We can go through ristretto, espresso, espresso lungo, long coffee or Americano. We'll select that. We'll set our strength. Let's go extra strong on this one, and let's make it an extra large one as well, and press start, and there we go. And don't forget, we can set that as a favorite as well. So there we go, a perfect extra strong Americano. Let's make another drink, a cafe latte, but we'll add a nice shot of Amarula into that as well. So this is one for the adults. Generous shot of that. Espresso macchiato, macchiato cappuccino, cappuccino plus, latte macchiato, flat white or cafe latte. We'll select that. Let's go normal strength on this one. We'll get an extra large, and we'll set this one as a favorite and press start. Turn that to no froth. So there we go. This will also do things like steamed milk, hot chocolate, even pots of coffee. There are loads and loads of great options for it. 3 fantastic coffees. Let's check on the Almendrados. The duration timer has turned the oven off so that we can't overcook them. And there we go, perfect. So now we'll just set those onto a tray. Be careful, they're quite hot. So there we go. Delicious Almendrados and any coffee you'd like.